Hello everyone, welcome to Language Talk. Sadaf, did you have a good weekend?
Oh yeah, it was great.
So what did you do?
On Saturday, I read a book in the morning. Then I did my homework.
What about Sunday? Did you do anything special?
Well, the weather was beautiful and warm. So we went on a picnic in the park in the afternoon. We ate some sandwiches and drank some fresh orange juice. After lunch, it started to rain. As soon as we got home, I took a hot bath. How about you? How was your weekend?
Actually, I enjoyed spending time with my family. On Saturday, we went shopping because I needed a t-shirt for my brother's birthday party. Then on Sunday, we stayed home and played lots of games. Thanks for joining us.